Hey everybody, CindyALewis here, and it is time to pull the winner for the last Friday giveaway in July. And it is this cute little reindeer set. I know I've got it really close to the screen for you because I'm zoomed in. Really cute set. So I have the URL here from last week's video with all the entries. We're going to fetch those. It's not anything goes, it's Friday giveaway. Here we go, and you can enter every day, and we're gonna get the entries. There are 63, that's great. Now, when I go to pull the winner, it pulls really fast. I'm trying to get this even. Am I even? There we go. How do you like that? Right on the spot. Okay, here we go. Winner is Fun Size Crafter. Congratulations. I think that's Marissa. Is that right? Fun Size Crafter. I'll have to look it up and make sure. Anyway, thanks so much for everybody participating in the July Friday giveaway. So let me tell you a little bit about the August giveaway. So actually in August, we're going to do Finish Summer Strong in August. So I'm going to be doing a lot with beach and ocean themes. I'm going to finish up my 3 journals that I'm going to put up for sale. Anyway, but I know that you all are getting ready for your fall crafting. And so I didn't want to forget that. And knowing that all the stamp sets I'm giving away in August on Fridays are related to fall. So I'm going to show you all of those. You do have to be a subscriber to my channel. You do have to enter by putting the words Friday giveaway in the comments below this video. And so let's look at, there's 5 Fridays in August. This is the first set for the August 2nd giveaway. Really, really cute. Then the August 9th giveaway will be this set. A bunch of fun sentiments and a truck and some pumpkins. Really fun. Then the August 16th is all these lovely miniature sentiments that you could put on tags and everything. So super, super cute. And then August 23rd, some fun frames and borders and a heart frame. It's a little wreath here that you could use in your crafting. And last, on August 30th, these cute little gnomes. Little gnome stamps for fall. All of them are super, super cute. So that is for August, and this is next week. So you'll enter the words Friday giveaway in the comments below. You have to be 18 or older, US or Canada only. You do have to be a subscriber because this is how I celebrate my subscribers. And I hope that you'll participate. It's going to be a fun month. We're going to do a lot of fun things that we haven't done because we were doing the Christmas in July, and that's almost over. So it'll be fun to pop into some different themes like birds and flowers and, you know, all the fun stuff. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. And it's time for your trivia question. Are you ready for a trivia question for the day? The trivia question is, what is the name of the Grinch's dog? The answer is on the next slide. All right, thanks so much for watching.